Hello everyone. Here's an interesting test for you. A tricky situation at an intersection. Who gets through first? And who has to pass in what order will the cars cross the intersection in the situation shown in the figure? Answer options. Option 1, truck, white car, green car. Option 2, white car, green car, truck. Option 3, green car, truck, white car. Option 4, green car, white truck. Option 5, truck, green car, white car. Option 6, white car, truck, green car. 30 seconds to think. Task analysis at a traffic light regulated intersection. A truck passes straight ahead, a white car turns right, and the driver of a green car intends to make a U-turn. The drivers of all cars can continue driving because the truck and the green car have a green traffic signal. The white car has a red light on the main section, but the green arrow in the additional section is on, allowing it to pass to the right. The biggest mistake in this situation would be to think that if the traffic lights allow all three cars to move, then the drivers will separate, guided by the right-hand rule, and the driver of the white car will have an advantage over the truck. But in fact, this is not the case. We read the traffic rules. When driving in the direction of the arrow, switched on in the additional section simultaneously with the yellow or red traffic light signal, the driver must give way to vehicles moving in other directions. The implication is that the driver of the white car must give way to the truck and the green car. Some may ask, how does the driver of the white car know if the green car is making a U-turn and not just turning left? After all, if he turns left, then the trajectories of the cars do not intersect at all, and they can pass the intersection at the same time. Firstly, in any case, the traffic rules paragraph obliges to give way. Secondly, the driver of a green car in this situation is not allowed to turn left at all, because then he will enter a one-way road and will drive against the flow, as evidenced by the signs, one-way road and exit to one-way road. It remains to find out how the truck and the green car will separate. Let's read the traffic rules. Turning left or turning at the green signal of the main traffic light. The driver of a non-rail vehicle is obliged to give way to a streetcar of the opposite direction, as well as to vehicles that are moving in the opposite direction straight ahead or turning to the right. So, the order of separation would be as follows: truck, green car, white car. The correct answer is number 5. Write your answers below in the comments. Put a like, share the video with friends, and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to everyone, and see you soon.